Yeah, hey guys, I'm just going to do a video on the crypto follow-up for the week. I'm just going to do it nice and clean, slightly differently this time. XRP is this one here. We'll start on the left and we'll use the 4 hour because we can see the whole week. And what do we see? We had 16 buyers last week on the weekend. And now we have 25. So it's gone up 10 to 15 approximately, because there's something in there that's like a 10. You can't really see it very well, but we'll just go average. So we'll call that 15. BTC has gone up 20 from here to here. So they've bought that 20 additional contracts. XRP was 15 additional. XMR is 40, but it's more than that now since I've written these numbers up. It's another 20, but we'll just leave it as that. It's 40. LTC has gone up 90 from minus 36 to plus 63. So that's the biggest so far. Neo has gone up 15. They've bought 15 more contracts on that one. So far LTC is the biggest one. Hang on, we'll get to this after, 1 second. I'll just do this like this. EOS up 60. I haven't started it from here because I just started working on, we had to redo something with this chart, or I started working on EOS in the middle of the week because we were doing something else last week, wasn't we? I forget. But yeah, so I've only got the data from here, but we'll just go with 60 because that's what we see. ETH has gone up 50 and OMG 15 and Zcash 100. So Zcash was our original one from last week and that went up the most. We're now at plus 72 and it's not really getting much strength. But this is not a decline relative to the other ones. So don't go ahead and thinking that's a sell. No, this could just move up further on its existing buyers and the momentum of the rest of them as they go up tomorrow. So the biggest one, we'll stay away from Zcash obviously because really it's gone. If you took it and held it all this time, then well done. But we're going to find a new one now. EOS up 60 and it's still got a lot to go. So we're going to take EOS. Let's change that. Okay. And we're going to take TH is up 50. It's a little too expensive this, so I'm not going to do it. But we'll stick with I believe we're going to stick with the EOS and the other one, which is LTC, because that's 90 and that still really has yet to move. We got to be careful. Remember, the dollar's still up because the CAD is proving that. But really, overall, crypto is stronger than the dollar, so we can we don't have to be too cautious. And then we'll look at where everyone's trapped. Let's go to the one we're working on, LTC and EOS. Let's bring our EOS back here. LTC, they are trapped short, the retail are, so they're wrong. And BTC, EOS is they're trapped short also, so there's 2,000 extra sellers. And if we look at crypto across the board, is it the same deal? BTC is 100,000 buyers and 349,000 sellers, so they are completely short on BTC, so that's check one. OMG 121 to 122, yeah, the check two. Too many buyers on XRP, so that could come down. XRP, that might put a monkey wrench into this. Yeah, if we look over here, but it's up 15, so there's still a little bit of fuel left. Yeah, they can allow the retail to get paid on their existing buys for a couple of more days, I should imagine, or they'll hold it sideways and just really screw them a bit more. Something like that could happen. So stay away from XRP for now until we do it later. EOS 35, it's good. ETH 25, that's good. Zcash, too many buyers, so stay away from Zcash, as we were expecting. This is exactly what we were just talking about. The numbers were showing this here. It's dying off, and then we're seeing the exact opposite over here, where the retail, it's called FOMO. They're all trying to jump in and buy here, but they're going to get screwed. So the question is this going to be enough fuel to stop these moves going up, what we've just seen here? It's a good question. I think what we're going to do is put just two really tight stops and targets in, just really small, and just expect some sort of, but we got to do this because the numbers are telling us to do this. This is why we're doing it. But we're not. This is not going to be a hold. It's probably going to do something like this, like a Z, and just burn everyone. The sellers get burnt, the buyers get burnt, and then they burn everyone all over again. Something like that could happen. Then we'll finally explode when we go to 100K in the summer. That's probably not going to be till May when that starts going. But for now, we can continue messing around with this type of nonsense until it explodes in the summer. And that's, I believe, what we're going to do. But as long as we follow the numbers, we'll be on the right side every time, apparently. Move this back over here. And yeah, that's what we'll do. So a short little buy here and a short little buy on EOS is what I'm happy with. And we're not to it's not going to be a hit and run trade. It's just hold for a short period of time somewhere up here, and then let all this drama unfold, go back the other way, and then we'll start again. Or you just don't even have to bother taking them if you don't really want to, because it is mixed. So because it's mixed, it's up to you. Whatever you guys want to do. Anyway, that's that. Thanks a lot.